workout is in the books. I actually feel less sore after making my way over there and doing the group workout, and then staying after and doing some rowing, some skiing, some benching, overhead press. Just like to do some activation work, really. As you guys saw, I was lightweight. I didn't want to be completely torched for the long run. I'm going to go downstairs and start the laundry and get after that, and then clean up this whole apartment and get it ready to go. Some moments in NYC give you all the vibes of how special it is to be here, to live here, to train here, to get to capture this beautiful place and very unique place in every single season, as opposed to visiting and catching it for the weather on that one weekend or whatever it is. Last year, no measurable snowfall. This year, every time I go outside, it feels like every time I go outside it's snowing. I'm out here at the summer stage. This is a very famous music venue. You can see the juxtaposition, the irony of the summer stage in the very cold part of winter. Beautiful out here. I know I said in my video I didn't know if I would make it a double day, but I've been putting in body work today. Today's been a grind. Cross-training, body work, back out here, snowing. Long run, planned for tomorrow. Body feels just good enough to keep that mileage creeping up. Here we are, and the park does not look that inviting right now. It is very cold. Should have gone beanie, but I went hat. Yeah, it's coming down. Should have worn the sunglasses, note to self. Whew. How about these conditions? I'm at mile 3.2, trotting along. And there it was. First major adversity of the block, a significant calf cramp. Significant. Tried to run through it for the last mile, couldn't. Pain scale is a good 3 out of 10, so it's just uncomfortable. Really noticed it while I was climbing hills. I thought, okay, it's just a cramp, not enough salt, not enough electrolytes, whatever it is. But I don't think that's the case. I think I might have a slight strain or something of that nature, and the only other possibility is that is a after effect of some of the body work where I released the fascia, and essentially like a new part of the calf is being activated that has not been used due to being bound for the last week. So we'll see. That's my non-PT diagnosis, but definitely felt something, and it's difficult with the long run tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to handle this. But just wanted to update you guys. At least it's a beautiful day to be walking the last half mile.